Like, shit, you just got served, yucko.
The breakdancing pooch. Amy Gold.
Like I gotta bite my ass. That was straight. Say something to the camera, Jazz.
Does that make sense? What do you want? What are you looking at?
Jazzy, get it. Tell it. Tell it. My dog is so stoned all the time. She's just like, man, fuck that. I just chill. Where's the shit little goes? You know, guys, if you get famous, this YouTube video, you're going to come back and haunt us.
These are these guys when they were just playing around. What's up, homie? Yeah.
Perk off.